Blackpink's Jennie finally made her big debut at the Cannes Film Festival. The singer and rapper attended the 76th edition of the prestigious festival to attend the premiere of the television series The Idol on the 7th day of the Riviera. Jennie will make her acting debut with the HBO drama. She walked the red carpet with producer Ashley Levinson, director Sam Levinson, Abel Tesfaye, Troye Sivan, Lily Rose Depp, Rachel Sennott, Sophie Mudd, Moses Sumney, Harry Neff, Divine Joy Rudolph, and producer Reza Fahim. Talking of her fashion, Jennie chose a monochrome look for her first Cannes moment. She looked stunning in a Chanel couture gown consisting of white lace and sheer black off-the-shoulder sleeves. Jennie went minimal with her accessories, adding only a black satin bow to her wavy hair and delicate diamond rings to her hands. And just look at her cute shoes! Sam Levinson's The Idol received a 5-minute plus standing ovation after its world premiere out of competition on day 7. The 7th day of the festival also witnessed several other screenings. The world premiere of Club Zero by director Jessica Hausner got a 5-minute standing ovation. Club Zero, which is playing in competition, is Hausner's 6th feature and 2nd in the English language. India's Moni Roy and Sunny Leone made their debut. They both looked ethereal. But it was Diana Penty again who stole the limelight. Let us know how you feel about Cannes in the comments and do subscribe to SHOWSHA for more on Cannes 2023.